In order to install HsBlog, we're going to navigate over to Wiloke.com. Click on Theme Installation at the top. Navigate to this GitHub link right here. Click on the green code button and click Download Zip. Back to our website, we're going to click Plugins, Add New, Upload Plugin. I'm going to click and drag right into the choose file. You're more than welcome to choose the file and then find where you downloaded it into your computer. Click Install Now, and let's activate it. Now that we've activated, we need to add our secret token. Navigate to Wiloke.com, log in to your account, go down to Generate Token, select your order, and click Generate Token. Now that we have this here, we're going to type in our URL without HTTP or HTTPS. So just do the domain only. So if your website is domain.com, then that's all you have to type in. Once your domain name is typed into the URL box, click Update and click Get Token. Now we have our token. We can select all and copy. Back to our plugins page on our website, we're going down to Wiloke service. And we're going to paste our secret token in right here and click Submit. Now that we have the option to install, we're going to click Install. Once that is installed, we're going to click Activate. Now, we have successfully activated HsBlog, but we still need to do a few items. If these items don't pop up automatically, then you can click the refresh button. So now we're going to install all of the required plugins. Every time you see the required, go ahead and click Install. Once they're installed, they'll be replaced with the word Activate. You can click on them here, or if you want to bulk activate them, click on Plugins, select all your plugins, and click Activate and Apply. Once all of your plugins are activated, you'll be directed to this screen, and you'll be able to see an overview of the plugins that you've installed, and if you have not installed a couple of the plugins, you can go ahead and install and activate the plugins this way.